history. Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmibai. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Odisha in 1897. He was widely known as Netaji, meaning respected leader. He was the Indian Civil Service exam with Peter designed to focus on the freedom movement. He served as president of the Indian National Congress in 1938 or in 1939 and 1939 of Indian Forward Bloc of action which is the Congress to consolidate the left-leaning. He famously delivered the gift with blood to freedom. In 1944 during World War II, Netaji sought support from Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan to overthrow British rule. He formed and led the Azad Hind Fauji, also known as the Indian National Army, made up of Indian prisoners of war. Both established national government of Free India. Azad Hind is the justified Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is a plane crash. In 1945, remains the subject of debate and conspiracy theories in India. Now the second-rate leader of Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai, also known as Manikarnika Sen, she was a brave warrior queen of the prestige state of Jhansi. She was a prominent figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 against British rule. Born in Varanasi, she received an unconventional opportunity for a girl not for including training in martial arts and horsemanship. She famously declared, "मैं विनाशी नहीं दूंगी. I shall not be over my Jhansi." So carrying her unwavering determination resist the British annexation of her kingdom under the doctrine of left. She led her troops with remarkable courage and skill in the defense of Jhansi against the besieging British forces. Even when Jhansi fell, she managed a daring escape on horseback. With her adopted son Damodar Rao tied to her back, she regrouped with other leaders. Continued the fight against the British, eventually capturing the fort of Gwalior. Rani Lakshmibai did in the Battle of Gwalior on June 18, 1858, fighting bravely units her love. Her bravery, experience and patriotism made her a national and an enduring symbol of resistance against the colonial rule. Her legacy continues inspired